Sometimes the easiest and simplest mods can make the biggest difference on a car, and today that is what we're doing. I'm gonna be installing this rear lip on my BMW F32 428i. It's so simple. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it and of course how you can do it as well. Let's get straight into this. That's right, a rear lip. You can see it's already on, but I can't show y'all very much. I'm gonna show you how I did it. It's actually really, really easy. And of course, everything is brought with the box. It brings the double-sided tape, it brings the lip, and that's really all you need. So let's go ahead first, of course, and unbox it and see what we got. All right, here is the box. It's a decently big box, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, check it out. What is this? This is not a lip. What? No. All right, so we got sent the wrong thing. We actually got sent like a sort of cowl for like front hood or something of some random car. This is not what we ordered, so back to Amazon we go. Well, first things first, here it is. We've got to go ahead and open it and see what we get inside. I'm excited for this. This is really gonna complete the rear end of the car. So first things first, we got some double-sided tape. So here's the lip. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging any way we can. All right, take a look at that. Nice gloss black, really shiny. You can see it's got some really nice, tiny little kick here, if you will, on the back end. Kind of to give it some shape and more form. Really nice, I like it. Really lightweight, nice. Let's get this on. So install process-wise, it's actually very straightforward and easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off using some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol. Spray it down and clean it nice and well. Same thing on the spoiler underneath it. I'm gonna go ahead and get some alcohol in it, rub it down. And I'm gonna attach the 3M to the bottom underside of the little lip. After that's done, and I'll take off the little red backing and then just kind of stick it on. It is simple on paper, but I wanna make sure that it actually looks good and it fits well first before doing anything. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna clean this down and then put on some tape on the lip. All right, so far so good. I've just gone ahead and wiped this whole thing down with alcohol. And of course, I've also gotten to 3M, or let's just say double-sided tape on the spoiler. You can see everything I have here. That's it, very simple. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just take off the double-sided tape and apply it, making sure obviously everything is on right, in the right position, in the right orientation, and everything is exactly where it should be, in the middle, front to back, and left to right. I want this to look good and last. So I'm gonna take my time with this. And there you have it. I just finished. Honestly, I'm really happy with the results. Much happier than I thought I would be because I actually got it perfectly in the middle. You can see the gap right here and you can see the gap right here. According to my eyes, it's the same. But everything is on. It's actually pretty solid. I can't lie. Everything's been, you know, pushed down multiple times. Y'all saw me going back and forth in the time lapse, but check that out. It looks so good. And of course, it matches the diffuser and it matches the front lip. I'm really happy with it, honestly, and the black grills. And there's obviously more stuff coming, but that is awesome. I think it's a really nice little touch, especially since there's a lot of white in the rear. It was kind of too white. You know, it needed something to kind of break it up. And of course, the gloss black, always, I love gloss black. You might be able to tell gloss black is just the way to go. But it looks really good. Again, I like the design. I like that little kick, you could say, at the bottom in the back. It looks really cool, actually. I'm happy. Installation was really easy. Hopefully it lasts and hopefully it doesn't go peeling and stuff like a bunch of the other little lips that I've had on my cars. They all kind of just start going bad. Hopefully this one lasts and it stays on, but regardless, it looks good and I'm really happy. So if you were looking on how to install a little lip spoiler on your F32 or something, or just wanted to watch, why not? Thank you for watching. And of course, there's a lot more content coming, but the only way you're gonna know about that is if you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll stay notified when the next few videos drop about this car, the F10 535i, and the others. But for this video, that is about it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.